So the way our rockers work is the bearings press into the rocker. Pop. Hey, what's going on? Great tolerances, Nathan. I'm just doing with my fingers. And again, one little thing. Just there we go. Okay. Oops. There we go. All right, so we kind of rushed Nathan to get these uprights because we've got several projects that are waiting on him. So he used the McMaster tolerance catalog, which, as Tim, who's filming, mentioned, that it's more of a guideline. So he machined the ODs, didn't touch the ID because tolerance, and what we ran into is that we have not enough tolerance. So what we have to do is, since we're not a machine shop, we have to ream out the middle of that. So this is my super high-tech reamer. It's on a random size drill bit with a flapper wheel literally taped to it. Ouch. As that heats up, it's going to grab into the chassis, so I'm not worried about it. There it goes.
Yeah, go for it.
So after reaming a few more minutes, you can see in there you've got the cap. That's perfect. And then you can see over here we've got this one already on. This one's already clearanced. Set's a little tighter. There we go. Oh, I have to drill that hole.
Whoops.
And now that I drilled the hole, like that, like that, and the bolt, we have a roller bearing between hardened washers. This isolates the bolt from rotation. There we go. Nice and smooth. A little bit of play on that. Oh, I gotta tighten more. That's better. After, gosh, how many years? Over 2 years, I finally have rockers on this chassis. It's been a multi-year design effort. Timmy did most of it. Recently got it all the work. Nathan from Cox Machine did all the machine work. And here it is, finally. So we have a few other projects that we'll be using these. I'll unveil them as we need to. All right, so we plan on selling these because we went through 2 years of design on something that really did not exist. You can't go buy a rocker assembly. They just don't exist. Now they do. So here's what everything consists of. Obviously the rocker, the cap, you've got a hardened bearing shaft, the bearing, which as you saw earlier gets pressed into the rocker, and then this is the universal weld cup. Generally, if you're going to be installing rockers, you're going to be doing some welding. So you'll have to cap this, weld it, insert it into your chassis, like the Enviate over there, you can see weld cups. And then pretty simple. Hardened shaft goes in, bearing and or rocker. Cap drops in. You got your bolt. And then on the back side, obviously after you weld in your washer, which we'll probably include in the actual kits, we just didn't for this run. There you go. So decided to see what it weighed. I have no idea. So full assembly, weld cup, everything. That's not bad. 4 pounds, 8 ounces. Just so everyone knows, these are safety rated to 10,000 pounds input because, just because that thing makes tons of downforce and then you end up basically jumping the thing at Pikes Peak. So, wanted to make sure it was safe. So, Timmy here did all the FEA in conjunction with Eric Streeter from Speed Street LLC. Basically our Enviate team, and it's all been quadruple checked. So how much for all this good stuff? We're thinking about $3,500 for a set of 4. So you don't want to know how much we have into actual design costs. So I'll put the link to the website where we're going to be listing them, and if you guys want them, they're available.